Definition of variation. Variation is a simple concept to understand. Basically, if two quantities are dependent on each other in one of the three ways described in this tutorial, we say that one will vary according to the other. In other words, there are numerous ways in which two quantities are related to each other, but only three of them are considered as variations. They are direct, inverse, and joint variation, which we will explain in this tutorial. Variation defines a concept that deals with variability in mathematics, a more advanced concept we will explain in future tutorials. By definition, variation represents any change in quantity due to change in another if the two quantities have a form of relationship with each other. That is all for lesson 4.5.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 4.5.2, the difference between proportion and variation. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.